Dear environmentally irresponsible. Hello, I hope this letter finds you comfortable. I know you are. Otherwise, why would you be ignoring the earth calling for help? You might be wondering, who is this woman to talk to me like that? Don't worry about me, you have bigger concerns. It is said that ignorance is bliss. Well, let me break that one for you. Air pollution has reached unimaginable levels. It is a worrisome issue for many people who have taken action towards a feasible solution. Personally, what I found even more concerning is how little some people like you care about this matter. I am not only talking about the authorities and lawmakers, this issue is affecting everybody. Either you know about it or you don't, whether you take action or you don't. Everybody will be affected by the effects of the polluted environment. I was recently reading about the effects that acid depositions may have on the planet. It caught my attention how it doesn't only affect the rivers and oceans when the chemicals reach to the water and acidify them, killing all the animals, plants, and all the inhabitants of the area, all of it. It also alters the forest soil pH, which doesn't let the vegetation absorb the quantity of water it needs. It was saddening to find out how buildings are being affected by it too. Our Mayan ruins are in danger because of it. I was astonished to learn that people may suffer the consequences after being exposed to it for a long time. They develop allergies because of the weather and to the weather, and even to the rain. When it rains, they get sick and they get allergies because of all these toxic elements on the air. Mexico is one of the richest countries when it comes to natural resources and natural features. We have everything. We got forests, jungles, beaches, volcanoes, desert areas, islands, canyons, waterfalls, natural reserves, and many other things that we feel proud of. I do, at least. So I wonder why authorities aren't more concerned about protecting these areas, these people, these animals, this wildlife in general. What kind of catastrophe are they waiting for in order to take action on it? You may be thinking it is the authorities' job to create laws and enforce them in order to get these big companies and industries to stop polluting our air. Perhaps you would like the president to assign much more money to associations dedicated to preserve the natural resources, or the world leaders to push those countries that haven't attached to the established standards just yet. We don't need to be scientifically minded to understand that the use of fossil fuels, the carbon dioxide emissions, power plants' expiration of energy, factories and industry release of gases into the air, and the automobile overuse are risky practices that add up to the equation. Evidently, there is much that we can do as citizens. We can reduce the consumption of fuels, lean over the use of alternative energy sources, respect existing laws for environmental protection, save water and energy, reuse and recycle, as well as using public transportation or carpooling. When it comes to dealing with the environment problems, there is no pointing fingers. We all should take action no matter who you are or what religion you profess, your political views, your sexual orientation, not even your sports team, or if you like this new song that is on the radio. This is something that we can agree on because it is affecting us. But more importantly, if we don't take action, it would mean the end of our heritage to the world. If you don't care about the planet, the dying species, the natural resources, then do it for yourself. Don't you feel affected by the weather and the extremes it can get? Don't you worry about the effects of the catastrophic and natural disasters on us, on our country? Or don't you worry about how expensive energy and water can get? So why are you still so comfortably ignorant? Sincerely, Brenda Almonacci.